Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, February 23rd. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled, "The Way is Hard but Clear." And then, as always, we're going to do a short practice around it. Though it is the hardest going, the way is clear. The naturalist and environmentalist Kevin Scribner tells us that salmon makes their way upstream by bumping repeatedly into blocked pathways until they find where the current is strongest. Somehow they know that the unimpeded rush of water means there is no obstacle there, and so they enter this opening fervently. For though it is the hardest going, the way is clear. The lesson here is as unnerving as it is helpful. In facing both inner and outer adversities, the passage of truth comes at us with a powerful momentum because it is clear and unimpeded, and so where we sense the rush of truth is where we must give it our all. As human beings, the blocked pathways of our journey can take on many forms, and whether it be in avoiding conflict with others, or in not taking the risk to love, or in not accepting the call of spirit that would have us participate more fully in our days, it is often easier to butt up continually against these blocked pathways than to enter fervently the one passage that is so powerfully clear. In this regard, salmon innately model a healthy persistence by showing us how to keep nosing for the unimpeded way, and once finding it, how to work even harder to make it through. Some say it is easier for salmon, since the power of their drive to end where they begin is not compromised by the endless considerations that often keeps us from the truth. Still, it is the heart's capacity to rise one more time after falling down, no matter how bruised, that verifies that such a drive lives in us too. Like salmon, our way depends not just on facing things head-on, but in moving our whole being through. This is quite powerful, isn't it? So let's do a meditative reflection around this. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath natural, nice and soft. Find a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now bring to mind something you are avoiding. It might be making a life decision or asking what you need in a relationship. Whatever it is for you, try to breathe evenly, naturally, and kind of nose around, feel around this energy of avoidance. What are you butting up against here? Can you identify the resistance? Which part of it is coming from you? Which part from others? Breathe steadily, easily, and see if you can find the rush of truth in all of this. Feel for the clear and forceful wave of truth coming at you. Simply feel the power of the wave that is clear and keep it before you. Nothing more, nothing less. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself for being here, for doing this exercise. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I allow myself to find this rush of truth. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Simply feel the power of the way, the power of the truth that is clear, and keep it before you. You don't need to do anything else. This is enough. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.